Welcome. In this video I will show you how to see all opened windows on your PC. In order to do that, you can either use a combination of Alt+Tab buttons. This way you will see all the windows that are currently on this opened on this desktop, or all the applications that you run on this desktop. Alternatively, you can use the Windows tab shortcut in order to see all of the windows and all of the available desktops. If you want to switch to another desktop, you have to click right here, and therefore you will see which applications you have opened there. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.